Let me put you on to this healthy pulled chicken sandwich that I made with only a few ingredients. In your crock pot, you're going to put 2 chicken breasts and then some of the G. Hughes barbecue sauce, the sugar-free one. It is so good. You don't even know it's sugar-free. I literally put this in mostly all of my crock pot meals. Then you're going to take some 647 Smart and Healthy sandwich rolls and you're going to toast them. Make them extra crispy if you want. You're going to take your pulled chicken and you're going to put that on top. In a bowl, you're going to take your tri-colored coleslaw. This is the one that I buy from Walmart. It's so good. And you're going to take your sugar-free coleslaw dressing, also by G. Hughes. Love this brand. Shout out to them. They make everything so good. You don't even know it's sugar-free. You're going to put that, salt, and you're going to put some black pepper into your coleslaw. Give it a good mix. And you're going to get a mixture like this. Just don't put too much because then it gets like watery and I don't like that. Then you put some coleslaw on top of your pulled chicken, and that's really going to tie in all your flavors. And then you're going to just take your bun, put it on top, and you're all set. Now this recipe is mostly sugar-free and high protein. You just can't go wrong. It doesn't even taste like a healthy meal. My husband thought he was eating pulled pork the whole time, and it came out so good.